Hello everybody, welcome to Life in France. Life in France with a house with a lake. In today's video I'm going to show you how we built our pontoon, a static pontoon. I'm going to show you all the steps we took to build this 6 metre long pontoon. Okay, here are the steps we did to make our fixed pontoon. Initially we drained part of the lake, so we've got a dry site. And we've laid out the 6 metre timbers so we know exactly the end of those beams. We dug down just over 50 centimetres and we've supported this vertical beam just by a few rocks at the moment, and we're about to concrete it in. The earth below is just pure clay turned to rock, so it's like concrete anyway. It took ages to dig down by hand, so it's going to be a very firm fitting. So once we concrete that in, we'll then put the horizontal beam and fix it onto the vertical, and then, although we've dug the second hole already, we'll make sure the measurements, because we're going to do a 1 metre wide pontoon, and we'll get all that lined up and then fixed up. So that's how we're doing a fixed pontoon, how to make a fixed pontoon. All part of Life in France with a house for the lakes. Okay, so we've fixed the first horizontal beam in. Once we did that, we then went over and installed the second vertical piling and made sure that the gap between the first and the second piling was exactly 1 metre. Okay, on day 3 of building the pontoon, the rigid pontoon, we've put some noggins in, and we put an additional 2 vertical posts just to take any flex out in the middle, and we're now going to concrete those in. Next stage of building the pontoon is to put the decking on, and then we're done. I hope you're enjoying this video on how to build a static pontoon. 22mm boards were used for the decking, and all the screws were countersunk so that we wouldn't catch our feet, particularly the boys, when they're running and jumping into the lake. After a day's rain, the upper lake is full. I've dammed it to raise the water level, and now we have water filling up the small lake. Okay, the water's now coming in the lake. As you can see, it's moving up the pontoon, although it's still got to go up about 1 metre yet. Here's a picture of the pontoon at night. Absolutely stunning. We've got solar panel lights suspended underneath the pontoon, and as you can see, looks absolutely beautiful at night. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to build a wooden pontoon. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and don't forget, hit that notification button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care everybody.